So you're thinking about moving to Seattle, Washington. In this video, we're going to take you around Seattle, Washington. We are in the area of Bellevue, Washington, and we're going to take you around through some neighborhoods, show you different price points of different homes so you can see what price might fit your budget. And if you stick around to the end, we're going to share with you the best kept secrets of Bellevue, and I'm going to get to it right now. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything there is about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good, the bad of living in Bellevue, Washington, subscribe below, tap the bell for notification so that you will be the first to know about the current market in Seattle, Washington. And we are, like I said, we're in the area of Bellevue. My name is Sheila Duncan. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you wanting help with making the move to Seattle, Washington, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so that we can help you make the smooth move to Seattle, Washington. Okay, we are now at the first location. This is our first home that we're going to view here in Bellevue. This is a condo and it's 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It is priced at $700,000. It is 686 square feet. Such a beautiful condo. It's surrounded by Lake Washington. So I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what a beautiful view. You have a balcony, a private balcony, lots of privacy. And so I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what you're going to see from your balcony. So you see that view? That is the view you're going to see. Now today is kind of like overcast. It's a little cold, it's a little wet, but think about when it's summertime, the sun is out. It's such an amazing view. This condo is walking distance to tons of everything, to lots of eateries, shopping, and it's walking distance to Maiden Park, which is a famous, well, not a famous, but which is a very popular park here in Bellevue. And so now I'm going to take you to the second home, and so you let me know what you think. As I stated, we are here at the the second location. This is also a condo. It is right downtown Bellevue. It is 2 bedrooms, 1 3/4 baths, and it has a private balcony, has panoramic views of the city of downtown Bellevue, centrally located, easy walking to all eateries, shopping, anything that you want to do, you are centrally located here. And it has a 5-piece bath with a walk-in closet. It was built 2008. It is 1,132 square feet. And this condo here, right behind me, right up there, is priced at $1,999,000. And let me know what you think. I'm going to also show photos of the inside of the condo. And I'm about to go to the third location, so you let me know what you think. Okay, now we are at the third home, and the third home is right behind me. As you can see how beautiful it is. So this home here is priced at $3,898,000. It has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It is 4,601 square feet. It has folding windows so that you can walk out to the balcony. Folding glass walls so that you can walk out to the covered balcony. It also has solar panels, and it's a smart home as well. And this is the third home that we're going to view in Bellevue. Now I'm going to go inside and kind of show you around the insides of it. And so this is our third home. We are here in Bellevue. This home here is priced at $3,896,000. Absolutely beautiful. You see the high windows, the refrigerator, the counters. This is the pantry. Then you have the outdoors, sliding glass doors. You have the dining room. And what we're going to walk on through. You have the bathroom. This is a bedroom, junior suite. We're going to go upstairs. You have another bedroom here. This is So this is our third home. So let me know what you think. And again, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email so that we can help you make the smooth move to Seattle, Washington. And as always, I hope to see you around town.